Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can remove skin tags from the neck in such amazing way without any expensive. Skin tags are soft, non-cancerous growth that usually form within the skin fold of the neck. But you don't need to still worry about that. This amazing remedy will help you to recover your smooth skin back. To make this magical remedy, we need few useful things such as apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which research show may lighten pigmentation. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effect. Castor oil. Castor oil is thought to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, moisturizing, and some other useful properties. Next one is baking soda. Baking soda has the capacity to naturally alter our skin levels and inhibit the growth of the skin tags using bacteria. Additionally, using a mixture of baking soda and castor oil help in eliminating various other skin problems as well. Now we can make this amazing remedy. Firstly, we need apple cider vinegar. Simply we just add a few drops of apple cider vinegar into the container. The next amazing ingredient is castor oil. We just add 1 teaspoon of castor oil into the container. And the last we need baking soda as an ingredient. We just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the mixture. Now mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel for further amazing videos in future.